Once upon a time, in the peaceful village of Willowspark, tiny houses rested under sleepy willow trees. Birds chirped, wind chimes danced, and the whole town seemed to whisper secrets to anyone who would listen. But on this ordinary morning, something extraordinary was about to begin. In a little brick cottage lived Tilly, a bright-eyed girl with a red satchel, muddy yellow boots, and the biggest imagination in the village. Tilly loved asking questions, climbing trees, and discovering new things. Today, her curiosity would take her on the greatest adventure of all. As Tilly wandered near the forest's edge, she saw a golden sparkle twinkle between the trees. It flickered like a star, but it was right there in the woods. Tilly tilted her head, squinted, and took a step closer. What could it be? Leaves rustled gently as Tilly stepped into the forest. The sunlight dripped through the treetops like warm honey. She felt butterflies in her tummy, but her feet kept walking. Something magical was calling her. And there it was, a tree bigger than any tree she had ever seen. Its branches reached to the sky, its bark shimmered with silver light, and golden fruits hung like lanterns. At its base, glowing roots pulsed like a heartbeat. Tilly gasped. "What is this place?" A soft, deep voice came from the tree. "Welcome, Tilly," it said kindly. "I am the tree of choices. I help young hearts understand how every choice shapes the world around them." Tilly's eyes widened. "Me, choices." Suddenly, 3 glowing doors rose from the tree's roots, one silver and shining, one wooden and warm, and one glowing red and full of mystery. "Behind each door lies a challenge," said the tree. "You must choose your path, Tilly." Tilly felt drawn to the silver door. She reached out, and it opened with a gentle hum. A floating path of glowing steps appeared, leading into the clouds. "Here goes," she whispered, and stepped through. She landed in a place filled with clocks, ticking, talking, some stopped completely. Children wandered, confused and worried. "Where did the time go?" they asked. Tilly looked around. Something wasn't right. Tilly saw a boy named Timmy sitting sadly beside a broken clock. "I played all day and forgot to do my chores," he sniffled. Tilly smiled kindly. "We all make mistakes. Let's see if we can fix it together." Tilly turned the clock's hands backward, and a burst of light filled the room. Chores were done, toys were tidy, and Timmy smiled wide. "Wow, now I know how important my choices are." Just then, a golden door shimmered in the sky, floating gently toward her. The tree's voice returned. "You've helped one heart understand. Now go forward, Tilly. More choices await you." Tilly stepped through the wooden door and found herself in a sunny forest clearing. But something was wrong. Squirrels argued with rabbits, owls hooted loudly, and no one was getting along. "We want to be in charge." The squirrel barked. "No, we have the wisest eyes." The owl hooted. "Hold on," said Tilly, stepping into the middle. "What if you all listened, really listened?" With gentle words and careful listening, Tilly helped the animals understand each other. They began to share ideas, smile, and even laugh. "Kindness is the best leader," Tilly said. The forest cheered in agreement. The last door appeared, red, glowing, and swirling with shadows. Tilly felt nervous. "Do I have to?" she whispered. The tree's voice replied gently, "Bravery isn't not being afraid, it's choosing to try anyway." Tilly nodded, and stepped through. Everything here was gray and quiet. Children sat still, unsure what to do. Paths were broken, signs missing. "Why even try?" one child mumbled. Tilly's heart ached. "Because you can choose again," she said, boldly. Tilly dropped glowing seeds on the ground, each one lit up a new path. Children stood up, smiled, and followed her lead. "You helped us remember," one said. "Even small choices matter." Tilly was back at the tree of choices. Its golden leaves swirled around her like confetti. "You have shown courage, kindness, and wisdom," the tree said. "Go home, little guide. The world needs more hearts like yours." As the sun set over Willowspark, Tilly skipped home, her red satchel full of stories. She waved to neighbors, helped a puppy across the path, and smiled. Because now, Tilly knew, every choice counts.